At AK Dealer Services, we have your best price on Monroney lamination pouches. Easy to make, easy to install, looks professional. Our Monroney pouches are specially designed to encapsulate the whole Monroney sticker. These pouches can also be used to display your pre-owned vehicle information and buyer's guide window stickers. Our Monroney pouch is made of thick, ultra-clear, rigid material that allows customers to easily read the Monroney. Our pouches produce little to no bubbles, which gives your Monroney a clean look and will not sag even when installed with 2 suction cups. Installation can be done in seconds and always looks professional. Our Monroney pouch is easy to remove and reapply for test drives. Creating a Monroney using our pouch is quick and easy. Place your Monroney into a pouch and laminate. We also have professional lamination machines available with a lifetime warranty at a low cost. Customers choose AK Dealer Services because our Monroney pouches are high quality, easy to make, easy to install, and are less expensive than the competition. Most of our products are made right here in the USA. Switch to AK Dealer Services, your best price on high quality Monroney lamination pouches.